Welcome back. Today we are looking at the journey of using DeLonghi Stilosa manual espresso machine Latte CA. As someone who spends most of their waking hours analyzing system architectures, firmware optimization, and algorithmic response times, looking at a modern kitchen appliance through a digital lens comes naturally. We live in an era where software controls everything from our thermostats to our brewing profiles. Check the video description for the updated price link. When examining high-end kitchen tech like the DeLonghi PrimaDonna Soul coffee machine and pairing it with foundational manual tools like the DeLonghi Stilosa manual, Espresso machine EC260BK, DLSC 058 coffee Tamperyou, begin to realize that making a great cup of espresso is very much like compiling clean code. It requires precise inputs, execution pipelines, error handling, or this case, extraction management, and user interface feedback loops. This comprehensive review, we are going to look past the marketing fluff and break down these coffee systems using the analytical framework of a software engineer. Whether you are automating your morning routine via connected applications or manually fine-tuning parameters to reduce execution latency, your kitchen workflow, understanding the inner mechanics of your hardware is critical. For those exploring other tech gear and precision instruments alongside their kitchen upgrades, you can also check out this related product guide. When software meets hardware, magic happens or frustrating bugs occur. The smart coffee ecosystem. The DeLonghi PrimaDonna Soul represents a masterclass in dynamic configuration. It features a bean adapt technology software layer that dynamically adjusts grinding size, dose, and brewing temperature based on the specific bean variety you input into its digital interface. It is essentially an adaptive algorithm running locally on an embedded processor inside a sleek casing. On the flip side, we have the DeLonghi Stilosa manual espresso machine EC260BK bundled with the DLSC 058 coffee tamper. If the PrimaDonna Soul is a modern, high-level operating system with a graphical touch dashboard, the Stilosa is pure, unadulterated assembly language. It puts you, the user, directly in the driver's seat as the processor, compiler, and executor. You dictate the exact pressure profiling through manual intervention, timing your shots down to the millisecond. To evaluate these machines properly, we must audit their feature sets the same way we would audit an enterprise software deployment. Let us dissect what makes these units tick beneath the hood. 15 bar pump pressure. Both systems utilize a robust 15 bar pump standard. Digital terms, this is your baseline clock speed. It ensures that adequate pressure is delivered consistently to push water through tightly packed coffee grounds, extracting optimal flavor profiles and creating that rich, golden crema layer. Bean adapt manual control interfaces. The PrimaDonna Soul relies heavily on its software-driven bean adapt technology, allowing users to tweak parameters via mobile app integration or touch display. Meanwhile, the Stilosa relies on a tactile selector dial, offering zero latency between your physical input and the machine's reaction. Integrated versus manual steam wands. Software automated frothing handles microfoam generation using predefined profiles for lattes and cappuccinos. The Stilosa features a manual steam wand that lets you practice fluid dynamics firsthand, positioning the nozzle to induce a rolling vortex for latte art. Ergonomic accessories. DLSC 058 tamper manual espresso making. Uneven tamping creates channeling a major error state, your brewing process. The included heavy-duty stainless steel DLSC 058 tamper ensures uniform compaction across the filter basket, minimizing data variance shot after shot. When analyzing the performance of a coffee station, we look closely at throughput, reliability, and user friction. From a software perspective, user friction is defined as the number of steps required to achieve a desired output. Check the link in the description to get yours today.